Hello guys, today's episode is, we were in Aldi just today. Lucky I had something on the phone. I was recording the Aldi's P-Pack. And this is what happens. I saw it broke down. It's like, it opened the cardboard, one of the boxes opened the gate, then the baler completely stopped. Oh my god, you need to watch this. She just started the baler, then it was almost down, then until it stopped right near the gate. You're gonna see where it stops. Here we go. Oh my god, guys, did you see that? Your baler just stopped. That's okay. No, I'm gonna give it to the woman. Yeah, that was a crazy part. Thank you.